In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable friend requests on Discord. If you're looking to reduce interruptions or keep your account a little more private, this quick setting lets you control exactly who can send you friend requests, and it only takes a moment. Start by heading to the bottom left corner of Discord. You'll see a small gear icon next to your profile. This opens your user settings. Give that a click to open the full settings menu. On the left-hand side, there's a long list of categories. Look for the one labeled Content and Social. It's grouped with the app settings, and it's where Discord keeps options related to how you interact with others. Once you're in Content and Social, scroll down until you find the section called Friend Requests. This area controls who is allowed to send you a friend request. You'll see options for everyone, friends of friends, and server members, each with its own toggle. These switches work independently, so you can fine-tune your preferences. Here's how each option works. Everyone means any Discord user can send you a friend request. If you turn this off, you're removing the broadest way for people to add you. Friends of Friends allows users who share a mutual friend with you to send a request. Disabling this helps prevent people from reaching you just because you know the same person. Server Members covers people who share a server with you. Turning this off stops users in mutual servers from sending you a request, unless another allowed category applies. If you want to fully disable friend requests, simply turn off all three toggles. With everything off, no one will be able to send you a friend request. You can still add others yourself when you want to connect, and you can re-enable any of these options later if your needs change. If you prefer a middle ground, leave on only the categories you're comfortable with. For example, disabling everyone while keeping server members enabled can be useful if you want to connect only with people from communities you actively participate in. There's no save button to press. Discord applies these changes right away. If your menu looks slightly different, that's usually due to an updated layout. But the friend request section remains under Content and Social, and that's all you need to do. With these settings adjusted, you've taken control of who can reach out to you on Discord, keeping your experience focused and interruption-free.